Welcome back to Mitchell Makes Vids, where we spotlight stocks with compelling stories. I'm Mitchell, and today we are covering Constellation Brands, ticker STZ, powerhouse behind iconic beer brands like Modelo and Corona, plus premium wines such as Kim Crawford and The Prisoner, and spirits including Svedka and High West. 2025 has been challenging for STZ, with shares down over 35% year to date, closing around $135 as of late December amid softer beer demand and macroeconomic pressures. However, recent analysis highlights a potential turnaround. Articles this week position Constellation as a top value pick heading into 2026, trading at an attractive valuation with strong free cash flow generation exceeding $1.8 billion on a trailing basis and a solid dividend yield. Analysts see meaningful upside with some fair value estimates above 170, supported by premium brand strength. Is STZ undervalued and ready for recovery? Share your thoughts below. Buy on weakness, hold, or wait. Like for more value stock insights, subscribe and hit the bell. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Mitchell Makes Vids. Guys, check the links in the video description below. Make some money. Become a member of my YouTube channel today. We'll see you in the next one.